match number 38 in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Right away, 2 notes up for red. Blue Alliance side, let's see if the Wired Boars could do the same. That's another miss, unfortunately, but they pick up that center one, and they're barely off with each of these shots. Last one also ricocheting away from the speaker. That means that the Red Alliance is going to have a 2-note lead going into teleop, but that is very surmountable for the Blue Alliance. That being said, both the Robocats and Human Error respond with shots of their own. 2 in for the Robocats and 1 in for Human Error. Their partners, Team Max, aiming for the amp instead. They've got that note ready, and they want to be able to get their team the cooperation bonus and amplifying as soon as possible. The other side of the field, Wired Boars score 1 in the speaker, and their partners, the Panther Project, are looking to get another, but they barely miss hitting the side rail of that speaker. At the Blue Alliance source, we see what has become a common strategy for the Dragons today. They grab 1 note and bring it all the way across the field, depositing it over by that Blue Alliance amp. There are 4 notes stashed over there, and we know the Blue Alliance is going to rip through those at some point. For now, all these bots are going to exist in the red wing, though, as they collect some new notes, and the Red Alliance makes its attempt at scoring. Team Max bringing another note to the amp. It's almost in, just needs a little push. Meanwhile, on the other side of the field, their partners, Human Error, are lining up at the Red Alliance source to pick up a note on the ground. They're ready to go shoot on that speaker, and they're going to drive over to do so, lining up ever so carefully. 12 notes scored for the Red Alliance and 6 for the Blue. Without cooperation, that means the Red Alliance will have to score another 5 notes in order to secure the melody. The Robocats doing their part, bringing it up to 14. Team Max barely missing out on what could have been the 15th. 20 seconds remaining in this match. These teams are going to start thinking about their ensemble instead, with robots moving to get on stage. Red Alliance Human Player throwing their high notes over as Team Max tries to climb on the chain closest to them, and Human Error climbs on the chain slightly farther away, and the Robocats join Team Max on their chain. That is 3 red robots in the 68 to 22 in their favor. And that's going to be 3 ranking points for red, 2 for the victory and 1 for the ensemble. That's going to push the Robocats up from 10th place into